Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is The Sean Show. Today I'll be talking about the basic guidelines for equipment financing. With that said, let's dive in. So just to give you a quick preface, I operate in two different ways. Number one, I work as a broker and work independently with different funders out there for different types of business financing, etc. But I'm also an independent agent for David Allen Capital, who does a lot of different kind of funding and has relationships with many different funders for different types of financing, etc. And within the equipment financing sector, set up with roughly 20 to 40 different lenders out there. So these aren't like all the guidelines, but it's basically if you fit within these guidelines that I'm about to discuss, then you may qualify for equipment financing. And you can find a link down in the description below that'll take you to that website where you can apply securely. All right, so let's dive in. So there's roughly 6 different talking points that I'll be going over here in terms of the guidelines and what to expect with different terms, etc., within the equipment financing realm. So number one, you can actually do an application only, meaning you don't need to submit tax returns, etc. So the documentation is very minimal for a funding for your equipment ranging from $5,000 to $200,000. Secondly, what's the credit score requirement? Well, there's a couple different tiers, and we do work with tiers A through C, and you may qualify if you have a 600 or higher credit score. Now, what kind of terms can you expect? Well, in terms of the term length, that are going to be anywhere from 24 months to 72 months. Now, this may seem counterintuitive, but keep in mind for the longer terms, the longer, more drawn out terms, you do need the higher credit scores. So if you have a 600 credit score, there's a good chance you may not qualify to get a 72-month term. It's going to be something more like 24, 36 months, maybe 48 months, etc. Every applicant is different, and every application is looked at on a case-by-case basis. Now, what kind of down payment can you expect if you apply with David Allen Capital? Well, anywhere from 0 down to 30% down and anywhere in between. It just depends on all the particulars, again, like your credit scores, how long you've been in business, what kind of revenue you're doing, etc. But the more solid you are, the lower the down payment required. Now, does it have to be new equipment? No, you can buy used equipment, but it does have to be from an authorized dealer where you'll provide an invoice, etc. Can't just be a private sale with Joe Schmo down the street. And lastly, do we fund startup businesses for the equipment financing via David Allen Capital? The answer is yes. However, you can't do it with a 600 credit score. You need a 650 or higher credit score to get equipment financing via David Allen Capital. That pretty much sums it up. So if this sounds like you and you are looking to finance some equipment for your business, check the link down below and it'll take you to my website once again, and you can just apply securely online. With that said, thanks for stopping by. Enjoy the day ahead. Enjoy the weekend to come. And don't forget to drop a quick like and subscribe. Take care.